I mean, it's a massive congress. Yeah, no, fantastic congress. You meet so many people, and I think just that networking opportunity that you have here, and the warmth from the people. You feel like a family. So I would recommend it. My name is Professor Riaz Yar. I'm a specialist in Manchester in prosthodontics. I was asked to do a lecture here by Modjo on motion-guided rehabilitations. So we are looking at the occlusion and the aesthetics of our work. It's my second time in Budapest. I've been here to do all the courses as well. I love Budapest. The atmosphere is lovely, and being part of DentalWorld, it's an honor. So meeting new people again, and it's glad to see so many people coming back out to the Congress. Our studio was full, so yes, what a great few days already. Well, you've got the lectures, so a lot of the people that are lecturing aesthetics, digital, so I was in the Digital Congress. People then want to go and meet the suppliers, so you have to have, both of them linked together. So for me, it's perfect. They get the evidence and the knowledge from the people who are using the materials. So if you have like Modjo or so on, then you have someone here from Modjo for them to learn more about it. So I think it's essential. I mean, it's a massive congress. Yeah, no, fantastic congress. You meet so many people, and I think just that networking opportunity that you have here, and the warmth from the people, you feel like a family. So I would recommend it.